Hello everyone, welcome back. In this short video, I'll guide you how to make use of the AI model KinyaWhisper. I developed KinyaWhisper to extend OpenAI Whisper to Kinyarwanda when I found it lacking. I shared it on GitHub, Hugging Face, and I published a paper about it. That paper increased my visibility. Well, for anyone who is wondering how to make use of KinyaWhisper, KinyaWhisper is for ASR, ASR standing for Automatic Speech Recognition, and KinyaWhisper is for converting audio to text in Kinyarwanda. Well, to make use of it, you need two elements: the audio file and this code. I have an example audio file that I recorded. Of course, you record yours.
Umeze neza.
In the code, I mentioned it. This is where the transcription will be saved. Okay, you really have everything in this code. What you will do is to read and understand this code. Is self-explanatory. So let's run the code. Inference. Oh, I need to go back to the main folder. It's running. Yeah. Ta-da. This is the transcription and it's been saved. Yeah. Let's check if it was saved in transcription output. It's here. Let's get it. So it's okay. It's easy, right? You have everything at GitHub, and if you're lacking any library, Python will tell you at the runtime and you will sort it out. And you will notice that when you're running the script for the first time, the model is downloaded from Hugging Face. Well, that's all. Happy coding. Until the next video. Bye.